Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of organic prunes with Sunny Fruit's organic prunes. The Sunny Fruit organic prunes come in a 40 ounces bulk bag, making it perfect for stocking up on your favorite dried plums. These prunes are purely dried plums with no added sugars, sulfurs, or preservatives. They are also non-GMO, vegan, and halal certified. The prunes are USDA organic certified, ensuring that they meet high standards of organic production. They are vegan and halal certified, making them suitable for a wide range of dietary preferences. These prunes are purely dried plums, with no added sugars, sulfurs, or preservatives, providing a wholesome snack option. The bulk bag contains 2.5 pounds of prunes, giving you plenty to enjoy or share with family and friends. The prunes are praised by customers for their health benefits, softness, and taste. They are the perfect portion for a quick and healthy snack. Customers love the creamy texture and plump size of the prunes, as well as their freshness and taste. If you're looking for the best organic prunes on the market, look no further than Sunny Fruit's organic prunes. With their USDA organic certification and pure dried plum goodness, these prunes are a healthy and delicious snack option for any time of the day.